H&H Auto Body and Paint is a full-service auto body shop and auto collision repair with a convenient location servicing Garland, Texas. We specialize in both foreign and domestic vehicles and have the facilities and the expertise to take on any paint or auto body repair job. When your windshield is in need of repair, your insurance company usually picks the replacement offer from a pre-existing list of providers. H&H Auto Body and Paint can install a new windshield or repair minor chips or cracks for optimal viewing and less obstruction.